Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok issues. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about the application of TikTok and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.